Alright guys, this is the bridge. We walked up here to get to our spot. It's the first time we've ever done it. And right here you have Waffle House. There's a Waffle House right there.
We don't need Waffle House to have other fish.
So yeah, we'll walk to the end of this tunnel. Get back to you more. I got another one on the little tiny on the swim bait. Get back to you more. Oh, he came off. Alright, it's a nice spot right here. Get one. Oh, dude, is that a bass?
Dude, that has to be a bass.
What is that? No.
No, that's a really big bluegill.
Jeez.
This is nice.
Oh my gosh.
That's huge.
Whoa, that's like a lake bluegill. Yeah, I think it might be bigger than the one I caught earlier today. That's a huge bluegill.
You'll have to check out our lake fishing video from today to see that.
Wait, was that a bluegill? What type of fish is that?
It looks like a shell.
Dude, that's a huge soul cracker. You should put him on the scale.
No. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna weigh this kid.
I think he's worthy.
Chest off the cliff. No! Oh! Alright, we'll get back to you more. Dude, there's like a bed right there. Alright, next cast, same spot. Small guy. Not as big as the other one. That was a nice fish. Come on, Tyler, catch him. I hate how they shiver. Do they like shiver when you're unhooking them? Oh, that's a nicer fish. Yep, nicer. Way nicer. Dude, look how it goes bleeds through the sun.
Look at the go. Yeah, it looks awesome.
Dude, look at that. Bleeding through the sun.
Look at the blue dots in the sky.
Yeah, the first one I caught was like neon blue. Looked like it had leprosy. That's a nice fish. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, I got one. Right off that dam right there. Well, that's kind of a dam. It's like a nature-made dam.
Probably mid-80s today.
It's a pretty nice fish. Yeah, the high today was really hot. Surprised the water's so cold. Alright, come on, Tyler, let's catch one more. Alright, just flipped in here. Man, another nice shell cracker. Nice little fish. So yeah, we're just fishing here, experimenting. Tyler just got a bite. Check it. Take it easy up there, Tyler. Alright, I caught him flipping right here. Oh, I got a straight. Yeah, we'll be fine. Alright, going in. Gonna swim. Dude, should I go underwater with the GoPro? And then it's be worth it. Oh gosh. Oh, that was cool. That's so worth it though. Alright. Oh no. Get out of there. Alright, the show goes on. Little guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's just a good old bluegill. A little smaller. Not a bad size for the creek. Just caught him right here. Making new territories. This place is pretty developed. There's a Best Western. There's a like, restaurant. Is that restaurant still open? Oh, got another one. Oh, this is a nicer one. Is that a bass? Let's take a drag. That's just a nicer. Not even nicer. How did this little guy take drag? Jeez.
Dude, that one looks different.
That's a warmouth.
Look it up right there.
Oh, that's cool. One of those pretty creek fish. Right there. Got another another one. This one's a little fighter. Let's see what he is. Oh, that's a bigger. No, it's not any bigger. Yeah, let's try to get another. Roy, can you see anything? Caught him like right there. Found him one better. Alright, Tyler just caught one. Nice little guy.
A little plump.
Nice little plumpy wumpy. This could be our last fish we get on film. Alright, nice fish. Alright, so we caught the first bass of the day. This little baby spot. Tyler to brim. Nice little spot. We'll get back to you more.